Welcome to Archiesense. Designed for an Australian expat client in Bucharest, the Glass House MountainHouse in Maleny reflects its unique location on the edge of the Glass House Range. The residence embraces the concept of sky and mountain, translating to a place that is at one with nature as a glass and stone house with qualities of being anchored, strong, tied to the earth, yet also transparent, light, and floating. A key element of the home's experience is the courtyard refuge, where the boundaries between inside and outside are made ambiguous through transparent walls. The courtyard is sandwiched between the monumental basalt garden wall and the wider volcanic landscape. The house is designed to integrate with the existing topography, orientation, views, and vegetation, balancing efficiency with detailed craftsmanship. The residence emphasizes economical yet authentic materials and finishes, such as textured and unadorned natural surfaces, combined with carefully designed wood details. The design aesthetic reflects the Japanese principle of wabi-sabi, highlighting the beauty in imperfection and change over time. Sustainability is at the heart of the design, with natural lighting and cooling systems taking advantage of wind and sunlight. Materials used include local hardwoods, plantation plywood, recycled Blackbutt flooring, locally quarried stone, and endemic plants in the garden, all designed to reduce environmental impact. The wabi-sabi aesthetic is reflected in the natural surfaces that are allowed to evolve over time. Public facilities involve the preservation of shade trees, open views through the building structure, and the shape and color of the house that are not dominant against the steep slope landscape, but blend with the environment. The courtyard acts as an anchor between the man-made shelter and the natural volcanic landscape. The design of the residence highlights a balance between anchored and strong elements with transparency and delicacy, creating a sense of lightness and floatiness.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.